Okay, so to add a new event, we are now in our dashboard, so you want to go ahead and log in to your admin dashboard, and then once you get here, a couple ways you can get there. The easiest is usually to come over to this events menu item, just hover over it, you don't have to click on it, and then move down to add event and click add event. Once you've clicked that, it'll take you to the page where you can add a new event. So we're going to add the title here. And then in this box right here, you can add a description if you want to. Give details, talk about if there's specific times, or which you'll enter time in down here, but if there's variations in times or days, then you can add that right here, or any special instructions that you need to add. So this is the start date. If you click in the box, then it'll bring up a calendar. Just easy to click on. So let's say this date will be on, the event will be on April 5th at 6 p.m. And you can either type in the date, or you can scroll down and select it from the drop down menu. So if it's on the same day, you want to make sure these dates are the same, time is correct. If it's an all-day event, you can click this box here. We'll do a 3-hour event, so this will not be. Choose your venue, wherever it is, who the organizer is. Not necessarily have to put that, but sometimes it helps. If you have an event website, you can put it there. If there's a cost to it, cost goes here. And so then once all of your information has been entered, you can save a draft. That's not going to publish it to your page. All that's going to do is just save the information. It'll be classified as a draft under your events. You can preview it. Again, that's not going to publish it to your page. All you're doing is looking to see if everything looks like you want it to. Then once you've checked everything, the nice thing about this plugin, it also gives you features to add it to a Google Calendar or a calendar. So we're going to go back to this main tab. So once you're satisfied, have put everything in here, then click on the publish button. And what that does, it's going to publish it to our site. Since I don't want that event on there, I'm not going to publish it just yet. So the tags, if you want people to be able to find your events with certain tags, let's say if it's a free event, you can add a free tag. If it, or if it's for women or men, you can add those. Men's event. Or if it's a children's event, something like that, you can add that. And then that way people be able to search by the tags. If you need to remove any tags, you just click the X by the name. Then you've got some different items here. So hide from event listings. If for some reason you have an event but you don't want to show it just yet, you can choose to hide it and then come back and unhide it later. Sticky and month view, that typically stays at the top of, they'll display first. And the featured event, if it's a featured event, you can click that. What that does, they're highlighted on the front end. If you want to set an image, you can choose to add an image to your event here. And to do that, then you can just click on one of these pictures, set the featured image, and then I'll show you what that looks like. So then that image just comes up here at the top. But it's not necessary. Most of the time, you'll not want to do that. This is just showing you the month view for all of your events. We'll go back to this tab. Alright, so that's just a simple, short process of adding an event to your calendar.